Hi everybody, Jeff Wilson with Guarantee RV Supercenters, and I'd like to present to you a brand new 2018 Thor Four Winds. It's a 29G. So if we just got there, let's see, I've got the slides in, so we're going to run this out, see how easy it is to use. Push button operation. So electric slide out motor just pushes that slide out and gets us excellent floor space in the interior living cabin. And then same thing here in the back. I'm going to run this slide out, and that's going to give us a lot more room in the bedroom. So pretty easy operation with just pushing a button and making it happen. And this way we get a walk around queen bed. So two people, everybody get their own side for in and out of bed. A window at the back here, that's nice, you've got a view there. And then nice big full length drawers. And a great big one down here at the bottom. Closet space for hanging clothes. Got good space in there. And then coming up front, nice big shower space, raised potty, and a little bit of toiletries storage in there. There's an overhead fan to vent out the bathroom. And we have heat in here too with the side ducted heating, and a little bit of storage here under the sink. So back to the bedroom. There's a privacy curtain. So in the galley we got an LP gas cook oven, along with a 3-burner cooktop, and an easy to use convection and microwave oven. I like what they've done with the one very large sink basin, stainless, and then a little bit of overhead, as well as your built-in DVD player. And a nice big overhead bed area comes with the ladder for the up and in, and then with your vent overhead. Keep that fresh. We have built-in lights with the light switch right there, easy to access. And then we're ducted with adjustable vents for the air conditioning, so you can close those off. Nice handle for coming down, nice outside handle also. And so back towards the back of the coach, got the little prep area with the refrigerator, and then a little stainless sink basin for hot and cold water, and some utensil drawers, and a little silverware pull out right there. Plus a little tiny spice rack. We're lighted for outside, so if you're cooking at night, you need to get in there and wash up your hands, you're good to go. And then a nice length power awning. So awning out, again, we're push button operation. And then to the coach side of the awning, we have an LED light strip. So that's going to show out very, very nice. And then under the awning, once that's out, we have outside entertainment. So we can set up the camp chairs and watch a movie, or if we're at the football game, just catch another game somebody else is playing. And that's it. So 2018 Thor Four Winds. We're at Guarantee RV Supercenters. My name's Jeff Wilson. Give me a call if you have any questions about this coach or another we might have in stock.